Hi, guess what? We have another product unpacking and review. So I just got this package a couple of days ago. It is from Beguiling Phenix store. And if I remember correctly, this is a planner. So let's see. All right. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am doing a series where I am things from small businesses and reviewing the business, the website, and the products that I purchased. For some businesses who want to get bumped to the front of the line, what they will do is they will send me items and I go ahead and do their reviews. All right, so yeah, that's my planner. Isn't that pretty? It says Hustleable. Hustle. Okay, I thought it was really pretty. There were a lot of different selections on the Beguiling Phenix's website, and you can go and check them out. There are a lot of motivational journals that you can get, like for goal setting and manifesting. So I highly encourage you to check them out. So here's my planner, and I really like this because it had like, it's just really girly and stuff like that. So I felt like it was a good fit for me. So I am able. It doesn't have it's not like a calendar, regular calendar. It just is for setting goals. So you would put, when you want to accomplish that goal, or when you write it, and then what it is, and then your checklist as you meet your goals. So that's it. So I can definitely put this to use. Ordering from the site was pretty easy. Like I said, they had a huge selection of lots of different types of motivational items. Not only did they have the goal planner, but they also had like regular planners for like yearly goals and monthly, weekly tracking. So make sure you check them out, the Beguiling Phenix store. All right, their information is here. And thank you for checking out this product unboxing and review. Make sure you click subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned. If you have a business or know anyone who has a business that would like to get reviewed, have them contact me. My contact information is below in the description box. Otherwise, I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday, and take care. Bye.